What would you think if I told you that you can now recreate viral videos that have already gained millions of views in just 2 minutes and potentially achieve massive reach or even monetize the results yourself? The best part is that you don't need complicated workflows or advanced editing skills. All you need is Edimakor. Let's jump straight into today's tutorial. If you haven't downloaded Edimakor yet, you can find the official download link in the description below. Simply visit the official website, download the software, and install it on your computer. Now launch Edimakor and go to AI Video Clone. Here, you can either upload a reference video directly or paste the URL of a reference video. After that, click Download, and Edimakor will automatically download the reference video for you. Next, import a reference image or choose a character from My Character. Then set the resolution and aspect ratio. I recommend selecting the audio from the reference video to preserve the original pacing and mood. You can describe your own creative ideas in the prompt box or simply paste the video clone prompt that I provided in the description. Click Generate and wait a moment. Once processing is complete, you'll get a new video that closely follows the style, structure, and rhythm of the reference content, and the result looks surprisingly good. This workflow isn't limited to cinematic scenes. You can also clone viral advertisements, social media-style short videos, and other popular content formats. Just repeat the same steps with a different reference video, and you'll get a new video inspired by that viral ad's style. Finally, move to the right side control panel and click Export to save your video. If you successfully upload your video to YouTube and include the Edimakor AI tag, you can even earn extra credits from Edimakor. Pretty simple, right? Go download Edimakor and start cloning the videos you love.